Wakiri George Morogo uria ni muikariri gite wa ruhonge rwa gutungatira na guthurima maundu ma muingi guku bururi-ini ni ekinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya gibururi kuria gucokagia ciuria ciige mawatho ma igoti kuringana na gatiba ya bururi.
Does the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board accept to move to the judiciary as a tribunal?
Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ino, Wakiri George ni areganite na watho wa igoti kuona ati no nginyagia muingi ukorwo ugikuruhanio riria mawatho maragathikwo bunge-ini ya bururi kuona ihoto cia muingi no nginyagia cithingatwo.
What does this bill seek to cure that possibly is not apparent at the point of reading this bill as it is? What is the societal need that then has arisen that requires the enactment of this bill? What is this bill meant to address in terms of legislative purpose? Chair and honorable members, is that I do not support the enactment of this bill as is. We may need to go back to the drawing board with it to address certain key issues.
Kuringana na gicunje kia mbere gia gatiba ya bururi itareire ati muingi wothe uri na kihoto gia gutungatirwo ni atongoria aria mamathurire mugaru na uria atongoria ya makoretwo magitungatira muingi.
What then do we do with the understanding of the exercise of sovereignty as then reserved under Articles 1(3)(c), whereby the citizen have then delegated authority to the judiciary and independent tribunal.
No na kuri uguo kamiti ya bunge ni yoretie ruhonge rwa gutungatira muingi gukorwo mari na uge wa gukurana mawatho ma igoti ria bururi, mawatho ma thirikari cia matura hamwe na mawatho ma honge kiumbe.
Independent tribunals.
Local tribunals, you are quoting Justice Warima decision, should be considered in the judiciary. Independent tribunals exist disjunctive of the judiciary and therefore should not be judicialized. That's what it means. And it is the argument that by dint of section 27 of the PPDA, you are independent tribunals. Are we together there? And that your movement may affect your functions. And by affecting your functions, it affects the economy, because public procurement, a lot of the resources that move our economy are normally transacted through public procurement.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Maina.